Tonight, a community relying on faith. In Kerrville, people from across the state made their way to a vigil in honor of the flood victims and first responders.
KENS 5 reporter Megan Reyna was there and joins us live in Kerrville.
And Megan, what was the message tonight?
Alicia, Henry, they want those families to know they are here for them. They are praying for them. Some people that attended tonight lost loved ones, but the majority of people that were there are actually not even from Kerrville. They wanted to make sure, though, they're here to show their support.
The enemy has no counter to prayer.
At the Coming King Sculpture Praying Garden, parents holding their children extra tight as they worship and pray.
It breaks my heart.
April Gomez drove in from Cibolo. She says as a mother and grandmother, she needed to be here. She wrote on a pebble for the garden.
Prayers for all the families affected by the flood. Prayers that all are accounted for rest and closure in Jesus' name.
Linda Eansminger is from Bernie. She says she was rebaptized in the Guadalupe River just days before the tragic flood.
Amidst the catastrophe, God is still sovereign. He sees the brokenhearted and he holds all of our tears.
Many of these people attending have been volunteering throughout Kerr County, showing this community they are not alone and their support is not going away anytime soon.
They say it was 100 years, 500 years, 1,000 years, but you don't know. Yeah. You just never know, and we just need to keep each other uplifted in prayer.
Kerrville is going to need help for a really long time.
And tonight was also about uplifting those first responders. Of course, they are still, as you know, searching for the missing. Reporting live in Kerrville, Megan Reyna, KENS 5.